Hello everyone, it is I, Brandon Smith, and I'm going to do my daily vlogs, I guess. So, right now I'm locked out of my house because my dad's car is here, but apparently he's not here. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. I just came back from school from a 3-hour rally. Jesus. I had a freshman rally for the freshmen only. That was pretty much hell because it was like 3 activities and the rest was just talking. So, like I said, my school sucks in a way, but I like the school, But well, due to the fact that I have to walk there every day and like fucking below like -5 outside and stuff. It's really cold today. But said I locked in my house. My mom only gave me the key for the for the um for the thing, but apparently she didn't give me the key for the inside door, which I don't know why, but I should have gotten that key. I'm really tired, and I want to go inside. It's warm in there. So apparently my dad's not even inside the house, because I just rang the doorbell like 5 times. I looked in the window. The window was closed. He had the window open, so I don't know. His car is still here. Where did he go? I tried calling him, but he didn't answer, like always. And I don't want to call anyone else because they're still at work. So, but so that's one thing. I'm locked outside the house. So let's get talking. So I know in my other vlog I said I won't help you with getting girlfriends. Apparently I won't help you at all, but I'll give you some advice that I think counts as help for the smart ass people. But I don't like smart ass people at all, because they think they know everything even though they do. But apparently sometimes smart asses can be dumbasses. But just one fact for you. And if you are a smart ass, don't try to do nothing stupid. And yes, you do see that right there. Yes, wind chime, I guess. It's really windy. Take a look at the trees, how powerful the wind is. Pretty powerful. Ah, damn it. I'm really sore because I worked out at weight training today. This is pretty much the biggest trees we have in our neighborhood, and they're bending. They're literally bending. See, look, they're bending. It's pretty crazy. Jesus, I'm gonna go inside, man. It's cold. Well, I guess this is pretty much it for now. Like I said, this is my first vlog. I don't know what to do with a vlog or how to. If you know how to make a vlog, or some relative or someone you know is good with vlogging, please help me, because I really don't know what to talk about these days. Well, I was gonna say one thing. I was gonna say peace off. Well, not peace off. Let's try something else here. I'm just gonna say, I know it's Friday and probably you guys are gonna go partying, so just have fun and be safe. Have fun and be safe.